guys! So as you know, Halloween is nearly here, and I know some of you haven't got your Halloween decorations ready yet. So here are a few quick DIY ideas of Halloween decorations you can do at home with normal household materials. Okay, so number one is these really cool gravestones that you can stick in your garden. It doesn't look very good now, but when it's dark, you can barely see the tape. So it does look a lot better when it's dark. Here are the things you're going to need. Some wood, I got mine off an old shelf. Some sticky tape or duct tape. Some scissors. Black pen to write the date of birth, the date of death, and any other information you want to write on your gravestone. Start off, take your two pieces of wood and put them over each other to form a cross. I find it easier when you put the piece of wood that's going across behind the other piece of wood. So then look like this. Then get your sellotape. I'm going to use black sellotape instead because it looks more effective. And tape round the edges like this, and the same for around the back. Stuck on the sellotape, it's time to add in some details. Take your black pen. You can use another colour if you like, but black's better, and write on just some squiggles for fake writing. And then maybe a date of death and birth. That's obviously not going to be a real date, it was just something random I thought of. And there it is, your cross is finished. Of course, it looks pretty rubbish now, but when it gets in the soil, it will look better. This DIY idea is Dracula's dinner party. This you'll need a piece of paper. This is optional, this is just for your menu. You don't need it if you don't want it. Something red to act as blood. To mix the blood together, this is a lollipop stick, also optional, but I've got some red dye to make it a bit brighter. A glass to put the fake blood in. You'll need water to make more blood. I'm not going to use water for this one, I'm just going to use my other substance to make it runnier. Take your piece of paper and a felt tip pen to write down a menu. I've already done it on the other side. I put Drac's drink menu and half price. Take your cup. This is one I've already used for blood and there's a few stains on it, but that doesn't matter right now. Add in some of your red dye. You don't need much of this, depends how full you want the cup to be. You can make it full, empty, with a little bit at the bottom to make it look like blood's been in there, or you can just have it halfway. Fake blood from a Halloween shop will work too. If you want, take some dye. This is powder dye that I got from my Gross Science chemistry set. Now, add a bit of your substance from earlier, or add some water. Hello. Yeah, making a video. Right, that's my cat. My cat's come to join me for a bit. But my next DIY is going to show you how to draw, or how to make a pumpkin. It looks a bit weird now because he's a little bit flat. He was squashed by something. But he looks really cool. Plus, one thing you can do is in the dark you can put one of these battery operated candles inside and turn it on. Looks really effective, so then your pumpkin can light up. Sorry, was it? My cat's just shift him. Oi! Off you go. For this DIY, you will need some orange and green paper, a black Sharpie, or just an ordinary felt tip pen, scissors,